Okay. So, hey everyone. Hello everyone. Okay. So nice. Uh, so hello. Happy Diwali. I think happy Holi. And same to you, bro. Same to you, bro. So yeah. So yes, guys. If you have any of your doubts, which is related to cybersec, I'll do let you know. And also, guys, if you want to give me any suggestions, so regarding the future content on this channel or anything like that, you can do let me know. I'll try my level best in order to fulfill those dreams. And guys, if you want to connect to me personally, you can check out my Twitter. So that's the best place you can contact me. So hello Alexo or Alex, I'm not sure. So this is the place where you can find me. If you feel that you want to connect to me personally, so Twitter is the best place. You can tag me, or you can do anything. Okay, tag in the sense tag me only for this official stuff. Okay, so yeah. And also LinkedIn. I'm not using LinkedIn nowadays, just to post some stuff, that's it. To be frank, like LinkedIn lost its credibility, I think so. Like I haven't seen some good posts, they copy the post which is available on Twitter, and then they post that on what you call this thing, on LinkedIn. For like mostly it is going like reach based. Okay, so that is the problem in the LinkedIn. So can there is any way hacking social phishing and without brute force? See, I don't know what's your name, but to be coming with the point, like if you want to take down some social media account, so the only possible way is like without taking out all your options, is nothing but like you need to directly go into the application. Like if you, let's think that you want to hack my Instagram account, then what the only thing that you can do, like removing all this phishing or brute forcing, is like you need to hack directly the link, the Instagram, or whatever the service might be. Okay, so that is not always possible, because if you take any social media accounts, like they provide the best security. But yeah, you can look out for some 0 days or anything like that. But to be frank, if you want me to go like that, then it is not always possible, I think so. Okay, so yeah. So hello Shashank, hello. Yeah, that's not always possible, so that is what that is what I meant to. Okay, like brute forcing, all is these stuff are fine. But yeah, but there are other ways as well. You can check them out if you want to. So hi Aditya. So how to get anyone IP? So what is anyone IP in the sense, like if you are on same network, you can do a simple ARP scan. Or if you want to find out the IP address of any web service or web application, you can we can simply do what you call a ping, and you can find out the IP address. Okay, I meet. So yeah, you can post your questions, and also guys, if you have any suggestions, so you can do let me know. So I'll try my best to answer them. Okay. Um, like you have, like as I told you, there are many ways. Okay, there is not only a way there. Like there are like you can go with phishing, you can go with brute force, you can go with anything. Okay, so anything is fine there. So Google मेरा चाचा का बेटा का है. I don't know. So see, you shouldn't do anything illegal. Okay, so that is what the cyber, like you need to be on good side. Okay, like if someone report your crime, then what can possibly happen is you can end up in jail. Okay, so that is the bad thing that can happen. And you need to be what you call conscious. Okay, like you need to mostly be on defense side. Okay, rather than like attacking people, you need to help them. So that is what it is meant to. So how to get free Netflix account? So you can give your Gmail. Like everyone who's having a Gmail can get a free Netflix account. Any mail, you can get a free Netflix account. See, if you want something, guys, you can pay for it. That's not a big deal, I think so. If you want to use some service or anything like that, you can use them. You can pay them, I think so. There are different ways as well. So yeah. So any questions or anything like that, I'd be happy to answer. So any questions or anything like that? Bro, I bought a Pico. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? Not sure. I think I need to share this thing. My Twitter, I think so. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. I'll be back. Sorry, copy link, I think so. Copy link address. Let me do this thing. Okay. So yeah, that's the one. So let me do a quick thing. Like I think it's not uh P1 and yeah, can I expect more people as well. Sorry. So yeah, can you tell me how to see, guys? This is not about some illegal market or anything like that. Okay, you need to ask questions which are related to cyber security. Okay, like all the questions that you guys are asking is like some illegal. Don't consider this as some illegal market or anything like that. Okay, so discussion, like there is no there is no particular thing here. Like if you want, like if you have any doubts or if you want to chit chat simply, then you can do it. Hello Vedant, hello, hope you are having a great day. Yeah, hi Nikhil. A traffic light, see, like most of the time these traffic lights are mostly connected to the internet. Okay, so anything that is connected to a network can be, like you can possibly compromise those things. Okay, so that is the benefit that you have. Yeah, so I'm expecting more questions. Okay, so like go with some thing that is neutral. Okay, like don't ask like how to do this stuff and that stuff. So how to program Raspberry Pi Pico to unlock Android device? See, bro, to unlock an Android device, there is only one technique. which like two techniques I can say, like which one can be you can simply do what you call a brute force of pin. Like if the particular person is using what you call like up to date Android version, or else you can try to exploit some stuff. Okay, you can try to exploit that stuff. Yeah, yes, they're connected to the internet. Okay, yeah. Just a minute, guys. You can post your questions in the meantime. So yes, I think I'm live. Yep. So yeah, can see some few. I think so. Like, am I lagging? Do you know any best reviews? Can I stop a person who is using mobile data to a particular website? Mobile data? I don't think so. Like, it is not possible in mobile data. I think so. With mobile data, I think so. But I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure, Shashank. But you can try out some few ways if you have. Yeah, but based on my experience or my thing, I'm not sure. I think it's not possible. Okay, I have a big layout. I'm not not support. We have. See, guys, most of the questions that you ask are like they can be simply Googled. Okay, so that is the thing you need to keep in mind. Okay, like TP link adapters, I think they don't work. Only few work with which are like there are only few chipsets which support this stuff, this wireless injections. You can do that. Best TDOS tool. There might be many tools. Like I don't want to mention those names because what happens here is like YouTube doesn't encourage all this stuff. Okay, they give me some what you call they'll give me some strike. Okay, which throws my videos under this category where community guidelines strike there. So that is the reason I'm not answering few questions of yours. Okay, that is the main point. Like if I'm not answering your questions, that's the thing. Like if you want like more of this stuff, like I can help you out on my Discord. Okay, the server is free. Okay, you can join for free. Hello, yeah. uh yeah, three strikes you'll get banned, so that's the reason I'm being bit careful now. uh I'm not sure, like I'm not sure with what is that particular problem about. I'm not sure, guys. Like I use this particular thing from what you call like from alpha, right? Not sure, alpha AW036NHA. So that is what it's that is what I use. Like I haven't got any kind of these issues. But like if you can post that on my community. So if anyone having the similar issues, you can. uh no, I think so. Like uh yes and no. Okay, so how can I tell? Like see, what are the two adapters that are required is like one for like let us assume that you are an attacker, so you will require one particular adapter so that you can have internet connection, okay, to your device. And one more is for doing this stuff, doing this to evil twin or anything like that. So you can like the best and the cheap alternative is like you can have a simple LAN cable, okay, then that's going to work. Hello, Nikhil T. Think so. I don't know who Nikhil T is. Think he's Nikhil X69. I think so. Like I'm not sure. Alpha Panda, yes, though they both work, and the problem with them is like they're a bit costly as well. So that's the reason most of the people buy this TP link. I'm not sure whether they work or not, but uh, like there are some few methods, like there are few GitHub repositories which are solemnly for like how to make those particular things work. Okay, so I can do check. Yeah, Tech 69. Is it open Firefox? Yeah, that's fine, bro. That's fine. Yeah, see guys, make sure the chat is bit fine. Okay, don't post something which can make my channel go on strike. Okay. So you can, as I told you, you can post those on Discord. Okay. Do you think GPA matters or just a computer science is enough to see, brother? See, Lalit. To be frank, I'm on my edge to complete my Btec. Okay, so I'm not sure whether all these requirements, like what are what are, I don't even know what are like complete requirements in order to get into some site, some job. Okay, so once I go into this industry, then I'll do let you know all these requirements. But like no, it is not only all about what you call like BTech CSC or anything like that. Anything, yeah, in India, like you need to have a degree with which is related to computers, then it can go to some extent, I think so. In India, that's the point you need to note. In different countries, I don't know. So yeah, so but that is my like Lalit, this the question you asked is like many people are asking me since many days. So I don't know, but I'll do let you know. Okay. So once I go to the industry, like I can see more fellow mates of mine, and I can ask them what you have done, and I'll do let you know based on my experience. Okay. What is your next plan after BTech? Yeah, I'm part of company where I'll be playing a role of cybersecurity engineer. So like till it is in training stage only. So yeah, once BTech is done, I'll be a guy. So yeah, any more questions? Yeah, thank you, Nikhil. Bye. Thank you. Like I'll make sure to share my journey as well. Like if that particular company doesn't have any issues to, then I will do. Um, okay, so yeah, in upcoming days I'll share all those stuff like what they're teaching as well. As of now, we are in teaching stage. So once it is done, yeah, comments arrive too late. I don't know. So that is the reason why I try to open my phone to connect the live as well. Like it's a bit low, I think so. Yeah, I'm not sure. Sudo 9. I think so. Like I'm introvert. Like I can speak uh like once I'm behind this webcam, but if you meet me in person, you can definitely find like I don't even talk a single word there. So video on journey, sure. Like still there is more, I think so, but I'll do let you know. Yeah, most hackers as I like from my circle that I know are introverts mostly. And in the malware analysis, it's from PMAT, from cyber mentor thing, thing. Let me show you that. You can name it as PMAT. So that is the name. PMAT. Mm, the cyber mentor. So this is the course, I think so. Like in here you can find out that particular course, and it is awesome. It is awesome. Like I had completed like 60%, I think so, 60 to 70 in between them. So yeah, once I'm done, I will share that experience as well, like how that particular course is. Like it is worth it, man. Like I spent like I don't know 1,500 or 2,000 Indian rupees, but it is fine. Yeah, I need to check my camera screen. Sorry. Now is that fine? Now is that fine? Like I'm doing a bit research on this webcam stuff as well. So like you can expect that from April, I think so. From April videos, I'll try to do that. Okay. But is the thing everything clear now, right? Okay, sorry for that. I understood now. I understood. I'll share the link. Okay, no need to worry. I'll share the link so that you can go like that. Come on, PMAT. Just a minute. I'll share the link. I'm not getting this particular link, man. I'll try that on incognito. I think so. I'll try that on incognito. Uh, just a minute. I'm sorry for that. Yeah. I got it. I got it. I'll share the website link. Just a minute. So in this particular website, there is something called like this particular thing, PMAT. So like, why is this site loading so slow? Like, is that my internet connection or anything like that? So yeah, I'll do one thing. I'll share the link. So in this particular link, you can find out that particular course, and the course is named as PMAT. Okay, whatever girls, I'm into hacking and stuff, but I always find difficult to. Okay. Yeah. I'm not that much loner as like I have few friends. Like I'm good with some of my friends. Like don't consider me like as lone as what you call Elliot Alderson. Like he's like pro in the loan thing. So yeah. So yeah. Any questions? Motivate in the sense like it is not motivational story. Like it is not a motivational story, but what I can say is like the methods and the stuff. Like if you are aspiring in this particular, sorry, in this particular cyber security stuff, then you can uh, like watching that thing can definitely inspire you, like to go ahead, to go on, not in the terms of story. In terms of story, like it is like illusion based story. So yeah. uh do you recommend watching it? Yes. Hi Kartish. Hello. Hello Kartish. Like in terms of story, like there are better series as well which are like compared to Mr. Robot in terms of story and screenplay and stuff. But if you are like, if you want to see what he's doing, then like if you're interested in what that particular hacker is doing, you can go ahead. Yeah, he's more, man, he's more of extrovert stuff. Like you can give PhD for him. Yes, yes, yes. Watch how to. Okay, sure, sure. I'll thank you for the suggestion, Sudo 9. Okay. Did you read any books related to hacking? No. Like there are reference books. I use them for reference. Yeah, like I haven't read any book solemnly. Like I might write in, I might read in future, but as of now, no. Uh, okay, it's German. That's fine. Hello, Jubair. Hello. Purchase them. Like there are some free versions, man. Like for web hackers handbook, you can find it. Like Hacker One or Buckroad, they had some few free copy of that. Like you can get some free copies if you go to something like what you call Hacker One or Buckroad, then you can find those stuff. Purchase? No, I haven't purchased any hard copy because once if you go to Amazon and if you try to find, if you try to buy some hard copy of that books, as they are imported, okay, they are not published in India or they are not printed in India, so you can expect like thousands, like around 2000 of cost. So go for web versions. You can find the web versions even for free as well if you know how to Google properly. Okay, I hope you know. I hope you know what I meant to. Okay. Being late, so late to emit. Yeah, yes, man. That's like it is not only problem with my channel or anything like that. Like if you see any YouTube server, if you see any YouTube live stream, that is what every time it happens. Health simplified. Is networking enough for hacking, or have to learn other core CS subjects as well? Like networking is not only sufficient. Okay, like you need to have knowledge. Like in cybersecurity, there are many aspects as well. Like it's not all about like sitting and hacking. Like there are some code review stuff, there is some pen testing stuff, there are many more stuff. So like you need to have some knowledge. Like having knowledge on all the CS stuff, CS core stuff is always a good thing. Okay. Any website best to crack MD5 hashes? No, John Ripper. They any websites can do the same. See, Sudo 9. Yeah, I used to be using few websites. I don't know. Like I'm not familiar with that particular link, but if you want, I'll search for them. But the problem with those sites is like they go on with a single word list. Okay, but if you take John the Ripper or Hashcat, the advantage you can have is like you can have your own word list. So yeah, that is the thing there. But if you want, like, there is some website, I think so, MD5 cracking. Crack station is best. That's the best thing. So you can not only crack station is the best one based on my experience. This hashes.com is also fine. Like I used it for like some time. And the one thing is cyberchef. Cyberchef is like an all-in-one tool. Like you can do encoding, decoding, encryption, decryption. You can try to find out hashes or anything like that. This particular tool is absolutely awesome. You can check this out as well. Okay. So I'll share the links. No need to worry. Control C, Control V. This is not that much powerful. Uh, Control V. So these are some two sites that I mostly use. Tutorial on cyberchef, sure. Like it is not a big tool, sudo. I'm not sure what's your name is. If you, if possible, do let me know. Okay. Like this is not a big tool, but if you want to, like, I can make a small video, like which can be under like 5 to 6 minutes. I think so. It is not a big tool in any terms. Like once you know how to use it, it's absolutely fine. Sure. I'll make a video on that. Okay, no need to worry. There is a huge list of videos that I need to make in future. So yeah, we'll consider them. How do you remember all things what you learn, like commands or tools? Like how do you remember? Like I remember that I don't know how will I remember. How did I remember? I think you don't need to remember any command, brother. Like what's possible you can do is like the only thing you need to remember is what tool helps you in this particular situation. Okay, yeah, press up arrow, or the only thing that you need to know is like if you want to do this network scanning, you need to know that you need to use nmap. So that is the thing that you need to remember in your mind. Then you can use hyphen help. Like every tool has that particular option, and with that particular tool, with that particular option, like it is damn easy, man. You don't need to remember anything. Internet doesn't work, I'm not sure, man. Like I changed it several times, but I haven't got my internet doesn't not working. It works, think so. Like let's see what happens. So using them constantly, no need to use them constantly as well. Like hyphen help, that's like universal thing that anyone can do. So yeah. And guys, like there is only 70 subscribers. So yep, we are on the way to 5,000 subscribers. So we'll make that happen. Control F, yep, you can use them. No need to worry. Alternative of Zydra. No, I think so. Like I only use that particular tool. But if you can simply search on GitHub, bro, like you can add, you can simply search file cracking, file password cracking, and GitHub. You can get that. Okay. So what is the use of cyberchef? You can do almost all these encoding, decoding. I'll make a video on that, Shashank. No need to worry. I'll make a simple video so that everyone can understand and everyone can use. Jip to John, yeah, Jip to John can also work. Is will also work. But the advantage with Zydra is it's a bit faster. Yeah, John the Ripper. In John the Ripper, you can find hell lot of tools. You can use any one of them. How to use GPU in John? No, I'm not much into in this John tool. But if anyone know, do let him know. Okay, like I mostly use Hashcat, so that is what I use. And for Hashcat, like it takes by default. Most of the time, like they take by default. Yeah, many modules, like you can find many tools out there. Use free mail sender API. No, 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 no. I need to check that. I'll check that out. Okay, I'll do check that out. GPU in hash. See, you don't use GPU in hash. Like you use GPU in order to crack a hash, in order to brute force a hash, or in order to do a dictionary based attack or anything like that. Okay, the advantage of GPU is like you'll get some more faster way. Like you can, as we all know, computer has CPU and GPU, but if you depend solely on CPU, then it might be more intensive. But even GPU has some advantage in cracking this stuff. GPU in Hashcat, like it takes by default. Okay, you don't need to specify anything like that. TCM Academy, what does that mean? TCM Academy is an academy, a cybersecurity based, what you call, institution kind of thing. So where they make few courses and certifications as well. You can do check them out. How to do spoof calling? I haven't done that, but there are a few tools, a few applications as well, which can help you in doing that. Okay, you can simply do Google search. Like I don't remember the names, but if you can do how to do a spoof call, you'll find thousands of applications. Yeah, I'll check that out. Nap hacks. That's fine. See, which is powerful. Like, see, in Intel, there are many. Like, you can't say which is the best company. Okay, unlocked, I don't know. I'm not familiar with that unlocked. But anything which has some good cores and good processing power, what you call the frequency, the clock speed, or anything like that, is more, then that is always a good thing. I think so. But if I'm wrong, to correct me. Okay. Ryzen, I haven't used any Ryzen processor, but see, all these Intel and Ryzen are based on what you call cores and also their processing speed, or what you call their clock speed. What is their minimum clock speed, or what is their maximum clock speed? How to hack girl's heart? I don't know, man. If I know, I'll do let you know. Okay. Number of cores also it is number of cores and also the clock speed. That is what, like you can see maximum clock speed. So I'll show you a simple example, like how you can see that. So like that is what I basically follow, but if I'm wrong, do let me know. Like if I'm wrong, I'll do correct myself. Like i7-9750H is my processor. So this is my processor, the laptop that I'm using. So if you open that, so you can see up to 4.5 gigahertz of processor. You can see it is 14 nanometer, the price as well, like how many cores and threads, and what is the maximum frequency. Okay, what is the base frequency in the sense this is the minimum frequency. Like you need to check all these terms. Like you can, if you want to compare, you can do check them. You can look for cache as well. Cache memory is also fine, memory, and all these are advantages. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure with this 11 series and stuff. One generation is doing fine. See, there is not like that. Like in every Intel processor, there are many versions. Like there is U, there is H, there is C, there is K. I think so. Like everything serves their own purpose. How do you send bulk emails? Why should I send? What is the need of sending bulk emails, man? I don't know. Like is it a kind of attack or anything like that? Hack in the sense, yes, every Bitcoin address has some password. Like if you want to get some what you call this Bitcoin address, like there is some password kind of thing. Password in the sense it is like few words. Like some people lost their what you call that particular phrases. So that is what how it can happen. Hello, Ashcot or Aircrack NG, which is faster. I go with Hashcat. See, aircrack is only for cracking the hashes which are available in this particular .cap files. Okay, handshakes. But Hashcat, like you can do everything. Like even you can crack that thing which is in a .cap file or everything like that. Yeah, I have seen, man. Who hacked it? I don't know, but there is a possibility of getting hacked. How to start bug bounty hunting? Yeah, I already made a video on that. Like I shared my experience and opinion on that. How to use GPU, man. More of social engineering. Yeah, I forgot your name. Yeah, so that's for few seconds. I forgot what's happening as well. Who's man? Dude, I used my parents' old phone to install NetHunter and I tried a lot of tools and not able to root it. See, if you want to use NetHunter, the only thing is you need to have a root. Okay, but there are some alternative as well. Okay, I'll show you that. Without root, there are some good articles on this thing. So I'll share this thing. You can simply do this. Okay, if you want to. I'm not forcing. If you want to, without root, you can do that. Like you can't always root all these devices. Some few devices doesn't even support that stuff. So that is the thing that you need to remember. Okay. So yes. Any more questions? Still, we're having a lot of time. Root geophone. I think it is running Kai OS. I think so. Like the structure and everything. So Kai OS, KAI OS. It is like the structure is like bit different. I think so. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know Saitharan regarding that. Okay. I don't know much about this Kai OS and stuff, but yeah. Nokia phone root. What is there in Nokia phone man to root? भाई मैंने पहले तो ये बता. I'll share the video, no need. Yeah, like this is only my experience. No, I don't have any views as of now, Jeevan. But sure, yeah, mixture of Android and Symbian. Like there is some bit different. But if you can, like if there is a possibility, yes, there will be definitely a possibility. But what you can do, but only question here is like, what can you do? Like once you root, let us assume that you found some way to root a geophone and you successfully did that. What will you do from next? Like what will you do from then? So that is my question. So, so bro, I want to check my site. What is that site? Guys, this SMS bombing and all these stuff are like kid stuff, man. Everyone will do that. What is that? I don't think someone. What do you do when you burn out? I listen to music. That's what I do. I listen to music. That's it. Think the term that you mentioned previously, this is for Tarun, like it is not possible. I think so. Like I'm not sure whether there is a possibility or not. I'll check that out. Okay, I'll check that out and I'll do let you know. Okay, but to compromise a Bitcoin address, like there is it is, I think it will be a bit difficulty, or it is not, it is some kind of impossible, I think so. But as I told you, every anything can be possible. Okay, so what kind of music? No, I have some local playlist. Okay, so which is based on my language, like few songs that I listen, songs only, not music. And some music as well, like a lo-fi or anything like that, even they are fine. Like for work I listen to them. Hacker have, see, there is nothing like should have, you can have. Okay, you don't even require gadgets as well. Okay, without gadgets you can do all this stuff. What is, please check it, man. Provide the URL. I'll check it once. Okay. URL are not accepting, I can't do anything. Do one thing, post that in my Discord server. I'll check out. Okay. In a week, which one day I need to take day off? Mostly Saturday, I think so. See, there is nothing like that, man. Like I haven't made any fix to my mind. Day off, mostly Saturday, Sunday. I think so. And as I told you guys, we are on the way to 4.93K. So 4,930. So 70 more will be we'll together make 5,000 subscribers. A dirty pipe, sure, man. Like I'm what I'm trying to do is, like, I'm trying to make a demonstration as well with the help of tool. But that is where I'm getting some few problems. So like if you want me to explain it about it, I can make a video on that. But like if you want to show me the demonstration, then like I'll try my level best, man. Okay, like I'm facing a small issue there while I'm trying to exploit that. Okay, so yeah, I'll try my best. Okay, but dirty pipe is like to go simple. So dirty pipe is as same as dirty cow. So like you can arbitrarily write into any file. Okay, which can be an SUID file path or anything like that, SUID file or anything like that. Okay, so what it primarily attacks is like uh it attacks the kernel. So if you are familiar with this, as I told you, Linux kernel, then this particular dirty pipe attacks that Linux kernel. And what is the sad part is like this particular dirty cow attacks on like even the latest versions, like the version which is like a past 1 month, a kernel version which is released past 1 month or like that. Okay, so that is the thing there. So yeah, and there is also a working exploit. So dirty pipe GitHub, even Android, like top phones like Samsung, etc., like that, are facing the issue related to this. So this is the one that works absolutely fine. Yeah, I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Like I have some few snapshots. Okay, so I'll try my best. But I think so. Like the demonstration is not much necessary. I think so. Like this is not a big thing. You can see These are some few kernels which are affected, like 5.8 version. Like 5.8 is like, if you type a uname minus a in your Linux machine, you'll find out mostly it is 5.8, above 5.8 only. Okay, so that is the thing. There are some few stuff as well in this tool, in this particular repository. You can do check them out. Okay, but I'll try to make, like, you need to, mostly it is like on hijacking SUID binary. So this is what I'm trying to do. Okay, there are many ways like you can do. Yes. Yes. Like not solving, I think so. Privilege escalation part, like it will be easy. Okay, like a few boxes. Blocking link. What is that? Yep, yeah. Almost you can, but see, what can, like few boxes will go based on logic, but still, as they are old, you can simply copy this thing. You can simply do this exploit. You will get the privilege escalation. So I think so. We are 51 minutes. I think we completed 51 minutes. Still, we'll go for 10 minutes of live and then we'll wind up. Okay. Fourth year. So this year I will be passing out. So this is 2018 to 2022. Uh, I have, like, I'm not saying not all, but I have some knowledge. Okay. Kale University. It can be hell. It can't be hell. Worth, I can't say, man. Like, still I'm going. Still I'm on road only. Like I haven't came to bypass yet. So still I'm on highway only. So once everything, like once I go into that stream, I'll do let you know everything. Okay, like what is the best degree, or what is the best thing that you can do after intermediate or diploma or anything like that. I'll make videos on that. Okay, based on my experience, I'll find out. Okay, no need to worry. I'll do let you know. No need to worry regarding that. But as of now, I'm not familiar with that stuff. Which you started, like while I'm in second year, I think I started second year. My second year I started, and right now I'm in fourth year. So yeah, think that is much. I think so. So yeah, I think science is easy, man, compared to programming and stuff. Science is easy, I think so. Like if you know like how things work, then it's more easy. Like you don't have much practical part in science compared to this uh stuff. Cloud security, no, brother. But yeah, in future, I think there might be scope for that as well. But as of now, I'm not having any knowledge. Cybersecurity being judged by science teacher is the worst thing you can experience. I don't know. Yes, few Hack the Box Academy. I think they have some learning paths. I think so. Okay, but Hack the Box has some few active machines as well. You can do check them out. So I think that is it, guys, for today's video. I think we passed 56 minutes. So yeah, thank you for really joining me. Okay, for today. And the only thing that I mostly care is time. Okay, and you spend some time here with me, and that's really appreciated. And like as always, I'll try to make video. I'll try to release a video on Monday. Okay, so it can be on anything. Okay, it can be on a tool, it can be a tutorial, it can be on anything, but I'll make a video on Monday. So that is it, guys, for today's live session. And really thank you for joining me for today. And we'll meet once again on live. We'll meet once again live on Thursday, every Thursday at the same time. Okay. So thank you. Good night and happy Holi.